Hello friends, welcome to Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. Do you have problems with rodents invading your garden, eating your vegetables, causing all kinds of damage? Here's a trap I built and designed myself. As you can see, it works so well. I've got two customers. One chipmunk and a mouse. This trap uses a door that closes on the inside. So when you want to release them, you just flip the trap upside down and the door opens up and you can release them wherever you want. I have a little lever system on top here that engages the door, and there's a string that goes along here, and you can see a little pivot mechanism here with a paper clip where I attach a peanut to it on a paper clip, and when they come in and nibble at the peanut, it triggers the door and the latch and it drops, and there you go. So this is a two for one. I've got a removable door there too, so I can put the peanut and I drilled a hole on top, and I have a screw here that secures this in place so that they can't fiddle with it, and I put a groove here so that the string is protected, but sometimes it gets false triggers, so I got to cover it a little bit better. But it works. I catch these things left, right, and center in the garden. It's a tip I hope you can use yourself.